is Nicole. I just finished a mission for Noe, which was to take night photos of the city that I live in, Washington, D.C., using nothing but, you guessed it, a cell phone. Because as a photographer, I like to use my camera in low light situations, but this was a new challenge, one that I really enjoyed. And hopefully, Noe, these photos are usable, at least somewhat, and maybe you can turn them into something amazing with your editing.
Today we're doing a little collaboration with Nicole Glass. If you don't know her, she's actually a photographer here on YouTube. She does a whole variety of videos, including drone photography, general photography stuff, but most prominent among her videos are the ones relevant to financial matters, particularly those on how to make money with stock photography. So for this kind of collaboration, I decided to give my inputs regarding how I make money with stock photography and like kind of my little side business. You can actually find my video on her channel, or like my interview, more to say. And for her, of course, I gave her the phone photography challenge. And please be sure to check her out and subscribe to her. I promise you, she's much more helpful than I am when it comes to these kind of things. But yeah, let's get to it.
The biggest challenge that I faced in doing this was I realized that Washington, D.C. is not very colorful, at least not as colorful as, some of the bigger cities in Asia are. Most of the city is pretty like yellow or pretty dark at night. So I really had to search for a long time to find those like little pieces of color. The one place where I did find a little color was in the nightlife area, as well as at a few like Asian restaurants, ironically. But I definitely had to search for a while. A few things I learned from this challenge. Let me just give you a couple pros and cons. A pro, I've actually noticed that shooting with my phone makes me so much more observant of my surroundings. I'm not so focused on the settings like I would be with a DSLR camera. Instead, I'm really focused on framing the shot as best as I can with the phone, as well as just looking for little details and things that a phone might be able to capture. So I did notice that my awareness of my surroundings really increased. However, what I didn't like is that I don't have a lot of control over the settings, because when I shoot with my camera, I'm always shooting on manual. But I definitely think that shooting with a phone taught me to be more observant of my surroundings, because like I said, I'm not focused on those settings, and I'll be doing it more often. Thanks, Noe, for putting me up to this challenge. Hope my photos turned out somewhat usable.
So yeah, that's Nicole Glass. I've actually been talking to her like back and forth over the past few months. And remember, if any of you are interested in doing a collaboration, please message me, we'll figure something out. I actually have like 2 or 3 other people in line to do something, but like we'll crew you up, like I really enjoy working with others. It's quite enjoyable. Every time I do one of these collaborations, it's always something different. So yeah, check out her channel, check out the video, my interview on her channel, and enjoy. See you.